Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this very impromptu video, because to be honest guys, I didn't think I was going to put out a video today. Like, there was absolutely no plan to put out a video today. I didn't plan to put out a video today at all, but with this news that I have, this news that I really want to share, I cannot hold my excitement. I cannot wait any longer. Okay, by the title of this video and by the thumbnail, you can already tell your favorite Nigerian Jamaican couple, my brother and my sister-in-law, have just welcomed a bouncing baby boy. Like guys, I'm so excited. I cannot even contain my excitement. Like, look, you guys, I have a lot of pending vlogs to put out starting on Friday. Well, it was actually supposed to start tomorrow, but more guys, I had to put all of my pending content on hold first to share this news with you guys first before we get into regular programming. Okay, so yesterday, July 12th, 7 p.m. American time, 12 midnight Nigerian time, my brother and his wife welcomed a baby boy. And for you guys that have been asking, like, ever since the wedding last year, you guys know that I introduced them to you guys last year, before the wedding and throughout the whole wedding brouhaha. You guys saw a lot of them, and ever since they returned to the States, people have been asking, oh, how are they doing? Oh, we missed them on your channel. I know. I've been saying they are fine, they are doing good, they are well, everything. But we as a family, we have been very expectant. We have been expecting the baby and all of that. We've just been in chill mode, just waiting for the time to come before I come out here and say something. I obviously wasn't going to say anything about this until the baby was here. That's their own preference. They are not YouTubers. They don't have a YouTube channel. I had to respect their privacy. Obviously, I couldn't say anything until the baby was here. And right now, the baby is here, and now I can talk. Now I can. So yes guys, we now have another Charles in the family. You guys know my dad is Charles, my brother is Charles, and now we have Charles the Third. Charles Alexander the Third is here, guys, for the very first time. I am an auntie. You guys know that I literally was the first in my house to, you know, of course, get married and have a baby, and my brother and my sisters became uncle and aunties before me. So now this is my very first time of being an auntie, and the excitement wants to finish me. Like, the excitement is choke. I cannot contain the excitement because almost he choke die. He is the most adorable, sweet little boy I've ever set my eyes on. I mean, they've sent pictures since yesterday, and I'm just like, oh my god, he is so cute, so chubby and chunky and cute, and he looks so much like my brother. Like, literally, he has my brother's face when he was a baby. Literally, like, he looks so much like my brother. I'm super excited for him to, you know, grow more in the coming weeks so I can see more of that face form and everything. I would give anything, like I would give absolutely anything to be in the States right now, just to hold him and to just press his little cheeks and give him sweet kisses and just because I legit feel like this is my baby at this point. I literally feel like this is my baby. But yes, we are super duper excited as a family. We are so thankful, we are so grateful, and I know I could not have held this gist until next week. I couldn't have been putting out regular content, birthday content and all of that. Like, I would not have been able to hold myself until next week. So I had to break this news this evening, very impromptu. In fact, I'm filming this video now past 5 p.m. I'm going to edit it and see if I can upload it within the next 1 hour. I hardly ever do that, you guys know, but I'm making an exception today. And of course, to more regular random videos like this, just have something in mind and come and sit down and film and upload immediately. I want to start doing more of that. So yeah guys, it's just an update video, just a life update video, a family life update video. I know that so many of you watched the wedding videos last year, the wedding preps and all of that, and you guys obviously we're looking forward to like an update of them, and this is the very first update I have of them, that they have now been blessed with a bouncing baby boy. Okay, and trust me, that's been the hardest thing keeping this away for the last couple of months. Okay, it has been really hard keeping this away for like the last 9 months. It's been very hard. At some point my mouth will want to say something, but I will have to remind myself that it's not my pregnancy, so let me just you know, this is so exciting for us. You guys know my mother, she has has been singing my grandson, my grandson, my grandson, my grandson since last night. Okay, since last night. We spoke to them about 8 p.m. Nigerian time, and by midnight she had given birth. She literally just actively labored for roughly 4 hours. Very swift labor, very swift delivery, safe delivery. Like, we cannot be more thankful. We are so happy about this. My mom has been on and on and on about my grandson, my grandson, my grandson, my grandson, my grandson, my grandson. You guys know my mother, you know her very well, so she has been on and on about it since last night. As a matter of fact, when we spoke to them around past 8 a.m. yesterday night, my mother had entered Holy Mary Mother of God mood. Okay, Holy Mary Mother of God mode, because she knew that Lusoya was in active labor, so she was more quiet than normal, just praying silently in her mind. You guys know how mothers are, especially Nigerian mothers. You guys know how they are. She was just literally praying her silent prayer in her mind. She was a lot more quiet and all of that. And I turned to her and I said, I know that you have entered Holy Mary Mother of God mode. The host of angels in heaven cannot compete with you right now where your prayers are going. I know that for sure. My mother is extremely excited. My dad is extremely excited. They are both excited to be grandparents for the second time. Okay, they are super duper excited about their new grandson, and we, the aunties, are very excited. We are thanking God so much for a safe delivery. It feels super duper amazing to be an auntie. Like, it's a whole new feeling when your sibling has a baby. All right, it's a whole new feeling. I feel super bummed that I cannot be there right now, because I literally would give anything right now to be there, to just, you know, witness this sweet, amazing bundle of joy that we have just received. To thank God for his blessings, for his many blessings, a safe delivery. Mother and baby are doing amazingly well, and we cannot be more thankful. And yeah, guys, so that's basically the exciting news I have for you guys today. Rather unexpected exciting news, because I didn't think I'll be putting out this video today. Anyway, here we are. You guys obviously have been a part of this journey from their wedding up until now. I just thought it was right to come and let you guys know that we have a new baby in the family. At this point, I won't put out a video tomorrow. I'll put out my next vlog probably on Friday, so stay tuned for that. By Friday, we'll go back to regular programming, and yeah, guys, that's it. Just had to come and update you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I'll talk to you guys. I'll speak to you guys in my next video. Bye.